Whenever someone submits out a form, you get a message by default. For example, if I were to go around and then just fill in this form just quickly, so let me just go around and select this right here randomly and then submit it. What happens is that I get a thanks message right here. It says your response was submitted. So this is the default message. But if you want to go ahead and change out the thank you message, then you can do that as well. So for that, you need to go around and click on the three dot button right here. You can go to more form settings and then go to settings right here. And then you can see that customize thank you message is an option. So over here, it says your response was submitted. But what I want to say right here is thank you for, I'm just going to go around and say thank you for submitting your feedbacks to TutorTube YouTube channel right here. So I'm just going to go around and then let's say, for example, do this out right here. So you can see that I can even go around over here and then select out the message and bold it out right here, and I can even go around, make it large right here, and even change the color as you can see right here. So let's say this is the message I want to display, so that is set. And if I were to go around onto preview, I can go around and select out these options right here. Let me just go around and randomly type that in right here, select this out, select the date, and select this right here, saying this out, and there you go. So I'm just randomly selecting everything. And if I were to go around, you can see it says one question remaining. So let me just check that out as well and click on submit. And now you can see the custom message right here. It says, thank you for submitting your feedback. So it's accidentally written as store right here. You can correct that out as well. But you can see that there's the custom message right there. And that is how you can go around and customize out the thank you message inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.